Ever wonder what gives actresses like Sofia Vergara that radiant, youthful-looking skin? Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover the secrets of argan oil, often hailed as liquid gold. This unique oil, hailing from Morocco, has captivated people for centuries with its diverse uses and potential benefits. But before we delve deeper, I have a little challenge for you. At the end, we'll have a quick quiz to test your newfound knowledge about argan oil. Are you ready? Argan oil originates from the argan tree, a majestic evergreen that thrives in the sun-drenched landscapes of southwestern Morocco. These resilient trees have adapted to the harsh semi-arid climate, providing a vital source of income and cultural heritage for local communities. The oil itself comes from the argan nut, nestled within the fruit of the tree. Traditionally, Berber women's cooperatives meticulously extract the oil by hand. They crack the nut, carefully remove the kernel, which is then roasted and ground into a paste. Finally, the oil is extracted using a manual or mechanical press. This time-honored tradition ensures the highest quality and ethical sourcing of argan oil. The resulting liquid gold boasts a beautiful golden hue and a subtle nutty aroma. But its true value lies in its rich composition of essential fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants. These remarkable properties contribute to a range of benefits, making argan oil a versatile addition to many routines. 5 key benefits if you use argan oil. Skincare powerhouse. Argan oil is packed with beneficial nutrients like vitamin E and fatty acids, which help nourish and hydrate the skin. This can lead to a reduction in the appearance of wrinkles and dryness, leaving your skin feeling supple and youthful. It also possesses anti-inflammatory properties which may soothe irritated skin and calm conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Haircare hero. Dry, frizzy, or damaged hair. Argan oil can be your knight in shining armor. Its lightweight, non-greasy formula easily absorbs into hair strands, adding shine and manageability. The oil also helps combat frizz and protect hair from heat styling damage, leaving you with smoother, healthier-looking hair. Culinary delight. Beyond its beauty benefits, argan oil boasts a unique nutty flavor profile that adds a touch of sophistication to various dishes. Drizzle it over salads for a delicious and healthy dressing, use it as a dipping sauce for bread or vegetables, or even incorporate it into couscous dishes for a deeper flavor dimension. Antioxidant arsenal. Free radicals are harmful molecules that can damage our cells. Argan oil is packed with antioxidants, like vitamin E and phenolic compounds, which help fight these free radicals and potentially protect our cells from damage. This may contribute to overall well-being and healthy aging. Sustainable choice. Supporting the production of argan oil goes beyond just enjoying its benefits. It's also a sustainable choice that empowers local communities in Morocco. The traditional extraction process is handcrafted, helping to preserve cultural heritage and promote economic development in the region. Additionally, argan trees play a crucial role in preventing soil erosion and protecting the local ecosystem. Have you ever encountered argan oil in your daily life? If you answer yes, how did you experience it? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Now, to test your argan oil knowledge. Take our quick quiz and see how much you've absorbed. Don't worry, no pressure, it's just for fun. Question 1. Where does argan oil come from? Morocco. Question 2. How is argan oil traditionally extracted? By hand by Berber communities. Question 3. What is one of the key benefits of argan oil for skincare? Reducing dryness and wrinkles. Question 4. What is a common culinary use for argan oil? Adding to salad dressings. Question 5. What makes argan oil a sustainable choice? It's derived from a renewable resource. As we conclude our exploration, remember the key takeaways. Argan oil is a unique product with a fascinating history, a sustainable production process, and diverse benefits for both health and culinary applications. Reflect on your answers to the quiz. Did you learn something new about argan oil? Consider how your newfound knowledge might guide your future choices. Thank you for joining me today. For more informative content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.